Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make the typical Bengali mutton curry or Mangshor Jhol with aloo or potatoes. This is my late mother's mutton curry recipe. It's really delicious and a family favorite. Here I have 1.5 kgs of boned mutton. This is goat meat. Let's marinate the meat with some lime juice, some roughly ground ginger and garlic, some chopped green chilies, onion paste made from 3 large red onions, 3 to 4 tablespoons of thick dahi or yogurt, salt according to your taste, 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and a bit of mustard oil. Now I'm going to use my hand to mix all the ingredients with the meat really well and then let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Here I have some peeled potatoes which I am going to season with salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Now we need to mix the spices into the potatoes very nicely. So use your hands to do this job. Pour some oil in a large cooking pot. We need to shallow fry the potatoes. This will give them a nice golden color and make them taste really good. That's the potatoes shallow fried. In the same pot, add some more oil. Here I have 2 tej patta, 2 dry red chili, 2 sticks of dalchini, some green elaichi and some cloves. These are the whole spices that are typical to Bengali meat dishes. Add them into the oil and let them sizzle for a few seconds. And then add the marinated meat into the pot. Fry the meat really well. You need to keep stirring the pot. And you will find that the meat soon starts releasing its water and we need to dry it out till it reaches this kind of consistency. This means that the spices have fried nicely. Now add the diced tomatoes into the pot and give them a stir. You should also add a bit of tomato puree and continue frying till the tomatoes are totally pulpy and the gravy has a thick consistency. Now rinse out the marinade bowl with water and add it to the pot. Give the pot a stir and scrape off the sides of the pot. Top up with more water if needed. Give the pot a stir. Then put the lid on and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to add the potatoes into the pot. Cover and cook on medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes till the meat and potatoes are nicely cooked. After 20 minutes, take the lid off to check if the potatoes and meat are tender, and they looked very well cooked to me. It's time to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter to the pot along with 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give them a mix. sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top, and our delicious Mangshor Jhol or Bengali Mutton Curry is done and is ready to be plated up. Add a bit more chopped coriander if you wish, and serve this yummy mutton curry with boiled rice, pulao, parathas or rotis. Aloo diye Mangshor Jhol, cooked by my late mother, was a family favorite Sunday meal. She cooked it on Sundays and for special occasions like birthdays and festive days. This recipe is the stuff of my beautiful Bengali childhood Sundays. Give it a try and enjoy.